The Jōmon pottery is a type of ancient pottery which was made during the Jōmon period in Japan. The term Jōmon means rope patterned in Japanese, describing the patterns that are pressed into the clay outline. Oldest pottery in Japan. The pottery vessels crafted in ancient Japan during the Jōmon period are generally accepted to be the oldest pottery in Japan. Dating bits of pottery discovered in a cave in the northwest coast of modern-day Kyushu date back to as far as 12,700 BCE in radiometric dating tests. It is believed by many that Jōmon pottery was probably made even earlier than this date. However, due to ambiguity in multiple sources claiming different dates based on different dating techniques, it is difficult to say for sure how far back Jōmon pottery was made. Some sources claim archaeological discoveries as far back as the 14th millennium BCE. Jōmon chronology. The Jōmon period in ancient Japan lasted until roughly 300 BCE. From there, it is divided into 6 periods. Incipient Jōmon, from 10,500–8,000 BCE. Earliest Jōmon, from 8,000–5,000 BCE. Early Jōmon, from 5,000–2,500 BCE. Middle Jōmon, from 2,500–1,500 BCE. Late Jōmon, from 1,500–1,000 BCE, and Final Jōmon, from 1,300 BCE. There are over 80 sites in Japan where incipient Jōmon pottery vessels have been found, but the majority of Jōmon pottery remains come from the later periods. Characteristics. The majority of Jōmon pottery has rounded bottoms and the vessels are typically small. This shows that the vessels would typically be used to boil food, perhaps fitting into a fire. Later Jōmon pottery pieces are more elaborate, especially during the Middle Jōmon period, where the rims of pots became much more complex and decorated. The name Jōmon itself means rope patterned. This refers to the impressions on the surface of the pottery which were created by pressing rope into the clay before it was heated to approximately 600 to 900 degrees Celsius.